A double crochet 3 together is a way to decrease 2 stitches. So what basically happens is you've got 3 stitches in a row, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to bring these 3 stitches down to just 1 stitch. Let me show you how it works. We start out like a regular double crochet, wrap around, stick in the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we stop. We do not finish that double crochet. Next, you're going to repeat this in each of the next 2 stitches. So watch, you wrap around just like a double crochet, you stick in, wrap and pull through, wrap and pull through 2, stop. Now you've got 3 loops on your hook. We've worked in the first 2 stitches. This is a double crochet 3 together, so we've got to work in that third. Start like a double crochet, wrap around, stick in that third stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, wrap and pull through 2, stop. Now you can see how we've done that kind of partial double crochet in each of those 3 stitches, and we have 4 loops at the top. So now to finish off our decrease stitch, we're going to wrap and we're going to pull through all of these loops. Now you can see how we have these little legs going into each of the 3 stitches, but if you look at the top of my work, I only have 1 stitch, and that decreases 3 stitches down to just 1 stitch.